Welcome to Donmar TV News Channel.
Okay, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. It's 12 o'clock in the afternoon here in the Philippines. At pag-usapan natin itong speech ni Presidente Bongbong Marcos na kahanga-hanga yung speech ni PBBM dito. Ito ay tungkol dito sa Malampaya gas field, no? Ang kanyang pag-renew dito. Grabe guys. Ipapakita ko sa inyo itong video na ito. Ipaparinig ko sa inyo ang speech ni PBBM na nakakabilib, no? Ano ba ang relevance at gaano ba ito kaimportante itong pag-renew ni PBBM sa Malampaya gas field, natural gas, okay? At ito ay very important natin sa Pilipinas at hindi talaga ako nagsisisi na bumoto ako dito sa presidente na si PBBM, no? During the election. Talagang kahanga-hanga yung ginawa ng presidente. So, pero bago ang lahat guys, bago natin ito itatalakay, bago ko ito i-explain, help me na i-like at i-share tong video natin sa Facebook at sa YouTube para naman kakalat itong good news natin, okay? Sabay-sabay tayong mag-like and share. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, sa Facebook at YouTube, tapos na. And also guys, subscribe, follow Donmar TV para lagi kayong updated sa mga good news na kagaya nito sa ating Presidente Bongbong Marcos, okay? Sabay-sabay tayong mag-follow and subscribe. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, importante yung follow and subscribe para lagi kayong updated kay PBBM. So, bakit ko ba ito ibinalita? Itong vlog natin ngayon is very important na to let my audience at sa taong bayan na malaman nyo kung ano ang mga importanteng bagay na ginagawa ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Okay? Kahanga-hanga ang ginawa niya dahil itong Malampaya gas field ay mag-end of contract na sana ito sa 2024. Okay? Imagine that one. Mag-end of contract na ito. Ngunit, in-extend ito ng ating gobyerno sa pamumuno ni Presidente Bongbong Marcos. So, extended sa new agreement itong Malampaya gas field, natural gas, hanggang February 22, 2039. Imagine that one. So, merong extension na 15 years. Grabe. Saludo kami sa iyo, President PBBM, no? Presidente Bongbong Marcos, sa iyong ginawa. Very brilliant move. Ano ba ang Malampaya gas field? Ito lang naman ang nagsusupply ng enerhiya o energy sa buong Luzon. Kung wala ito, walang kuryente yung Luzon. Nagsusupply ng buong enerhiya sa Luzon. No? So, ito yung mga benefits na nakukuha natin sa new agreement with the Malampaya gas, natural gas. Okay? So, dahil sa agreement na ito, mas marami ang mga exploration na gagawin sa mga remaining gas. Okay? Merong drilling na gagawin, no? So, yan, investment yan ng gobyerno. Yung remaining gas, mayu-utilize yan at magagamit yan. Okay? So, that will be an investment in which meron tayong makukuha pag-aari ng Shell Company together with the government, meron silang makukuha dyan na mga investment ito na energy. Yan, magagamit yan sa mga negosyante sa Luzon. Ito ay isang importanteng investment na uunlad ang ating bansa, no? Dahil dito sa ginawa ni Presidente Bongbong Marcos, mabuboost yung energy security. Okay? Kung mabuboost yung energy security, marireduce yung oil imports natin. Yung nag-aangkat tayo ng enerhiya sa ibang bansa. Okay? That's why this is a big move. Magaling talaga ang ginawa ni PBBM dito. So, the rest of the video, ipapakita ko yung video na nag-speech itong si Presidente Bongbong Marcos tungkol dito sa Malampaya gas, natural gas. Okay? So, let's play the video and magre-react tayo.
Thank you very much to our Executive Secretary, Luke Persumi. Please take your seat. The Speaker of the House of Representatives, Speaker Martin Romualdez, of course, Energy Secretary, Secretary Popo Lutilla, the other members of the Cabinet, the PNOC Exploration President, Franz Joseph Alvarez, and Prime Infrastructure Capital Incorporated Chairman Ricky Rason, fellow workers in government, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today we mark a very significant milestone as we pursue another huge endeavor that will promise the monumental rewards for our country and for our people. It holds the key to our drive towards energy security and is calculated to greatly advance the nation's energy interests. It is consistent with the Constitution and our state policy of hastening discovery and production of the country's indigenous petroleum. This policy was first laid down in 1972 through Presidential Decree number 87 issued by then former President Ferdinand E. Marcos.
Which is ang kanyang tatay. Okay? So, grabe talaga ang nagawa ng mga Marcoses sa Pilipinas. O, ayan, pinagpatuloy ni PBBM.
As we renew Service Contract 38, we optimistically look forward to the continued production and utilization of the remaining reserves of the Malampaya gas field, as well as further exploration and development of its untapped potential. From the discovery of the gas field more than 3 decades ago, and the project's commissioning in 2001, the Malampaya Deepwater Gas-to-Power project has been a boon for our country, providing 20% of Luzon's energy needs. Through the project, the government was able to generate 374 billion in revenues in 2022 alone.
Imagine that one, ha? How big na nakukuha na pera dahil dito.
Project has yielded about 26 billion in government revenues.
Grabe.
Because of the contract renewal, the government will continue to generate revenues from the project through a favorable sharing scheme with a private sector partner and the government. Needless to say, this project will reduce our dependence on oil imports and will ensure a more stable supply of cleaner energy from an indigenous local source.
Okay, so marami kasing nagtatanong bakit nangingilangan pa tayo ng private sector? Sila yung mga eksperto dito Sila yung nagpapatakbo, 'di ba? So we have to invest also the private sector kasi if without them, wala tayong knowledge tungkol dito.
We are confident in the capability and competence of the SC38 consortium in handling this project. You have committed yourself to a firm work program geared towards developing resources both in the existing and nearby gas fields to provide incremental production. So once again, we look to the DOE to see that the project's implementation is strictly monitored and to make sure that the consortium's goals are always aligned with Philippine national interests. As I sign this SC38 renewal agreement, we also lay stress on the administration's commitment to actively pursuing the exploration, development, and utilization of the country's indigenous energy resources and to optimize our energy mix. Finally, we thank our partners in the private sector for keeping faith in the government's resolve. Through our strategic partnerships, we will remain on course, stay the course towards the attainment of our goals of total electrification of our country and of energy adequacy, reliability, and affordability, all for the betterment of the lives of the ordinary Filipino. Maraming salamat. Congratulations sa inyong lahat.
Okay, so maraming salamat Presidente Bongbong Marcos and congratulations sa atin sa Pilipinas na with this big move sa ating Presidente Bongbong Marcos, isa ito sa mga kaunlaran ng ating bansa. Nawindang yung mga mainstream media dito sa balita na ito, no? Last week nung nakita ko itong balita na ito, no, from different channels, from different mainstream media, ABS-CBN, GMA, parang pagbalita nila dito, para bang nakaka-proud, pero yung mga mainstream media, alam nyo naman, mga haters yung iba, wala silang magawa nakita na itong pag-uunlad na ginawa ni PBBM di ba? So nawindang yung mga mga mainstream media, no? Parang sabi nila si PBBM lang ang nakagawa nito. That's why hindi masasabi kung hindi talaga na sasayang yung boto ko kay PBBM. Kahanga-hanga yung ginawa mo. This is a move na matatawag na talagang hero na gawain ang ginawa ni PBBM dito, na isinugal niya ang kanyang desisyon dito, which is very important. Okay? Marami sa ating kababayan ay naghihintay kung ano ba yung magandang mga nagawa ni PBBM. Ito na. Sampal ito sa mukha nyo yung mga haters ni PBBM dyan. So kayong mga audience ko dito, ano ang masasabi nyo sa ginawa ni Presidente Bongbong Marcos? Pag-usapan natin yan sa comment section. Okay? Ano ang kahanga-hanga na masasabi mo kay PBBM sa ginawa nito? By the way, Mr. President, maraming salamat sa iyong ginawa. So guys, like and share this video para kakalat ito sa taong bayan. Subscribe, follow Donmar TV para lagi kayong updated sa mga good news ni Presidente Bongbong Marcos. Hanggang dito lang itong video na ito. See you on my next video. Have a great day and God bless inyong lahat.